Hello. Thanks for joining us on Footprint Report, where we dive into the latest news and trends about tokens, projects, protocols, and more. In this video, we'll talk about the project Abracadabra.money. Abracadabra.money is a spell book that allows users to produce magic internet money. Today, we will focus on 4 perspectives. First, what is Abracadabra.money? Then, we will talk about the function of this multifunctional, one-stop experience platform. Next, we will come to the 3 main token, MIM, spell, S-spell. Finally, the conclusion. So, what is Abracadabra.money? Abracadabra.money is a lending platform that uses interest-bearing tokens as collateral to borrow a USD-pegged stablecoin called MIM, that can be used as any other traditional stablecoin. Abracadabra, a polarizing project that has risen unstoppably from a TVL of less than $300 million at the beginning of September to $4.4 billion. With Ethereum occupying 78% of its market share of TVL, Abracadabra is also gaining momentum on other blockchains, currently supporting Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Fantom, and BSC. Then, let's come to more details. Abracadabra will give you a multifunctional, one-stop experience. It includes the function of borrowing, farming, staking and tools. Abracadabra's main business is based on lending, so we can borrow on it. Also, users can earn Abracadabra's token by farming. And also, users can stake spell row receive S-spell. Finally, Abracadabra offers some tools. Let's look at the details now. Abracadabra's main business is based on lending, and the outstanding difference from other over-collateralized lending protocols is the support of interest-bearing tokens, IBTs, as collateral. Users can earn Abracadabra's token spell by staking LP tokens. Users can stake spell obtained from farm to receive S-spell and participate in Abracadabra's fee-sharing mechanism. Stakes have a 24-hour lockup time. The FIST tool is a bridge directly integrated by any swap hand. Swap can directly jump to curve for swapping between MIM and DAI, USDC, USDT. Next, recently, an analytics function is on. You can directly view the overview of Abracadabra borrowing situation and liquidation data situation. Then, we introduce the 3 main token, MIM, spell, S-spell. MIM's stable currency mechanism relies heavily on arbitrage. Similar to DAI, the cost of capital of MIM is regulated through the minting rate as a way to influence the supply and demand for MIM's currency. According to Foorprint Analytics, the current price of MIM has remained relatively stable, basically fluctuating between $0.97 and $1.01, and has not yet been seriously unanchored. Spell is mainly earned by staking LP tokens and farm. As a governance token, Spell is similar to MKR in that it can be used to adjust the protocol's parameters. Spell's price is only $0.18 as of November 17, and Liquidity's token LQTY, which has a similar model, has a price of $13.73, so Spell is still far from its predecessor in terms of token price. S-spell is acquired primarily by staking spell and stake. S-spell, in addition to being a governance token, helps holders capture interest, borrowing fees and liquidation fees from the protocol. Abracadabra puts another iteration on the over-collateralized stablecoin lending market. But it is more aggressive, with a greater variety of assets as collateral while also tying it to the risks of other protocols and chains. The ability to quickly increase leverage is convenient, but also risky. That's all for today. If you like this video and want to find out more about Footprint Reports, then watch our recent video on Footprint Reports, linked below. If you're feeling bullish on Learn-to-Fi with Footprint, hit that like button and subscribe. Check out our other content, and get one step closer to blockchain analytics. See you next time.